This is week 2 of building a rocket engine in my garage until I get hired at NASA.
So for week 2, I basically did a bunch of side quests while I wait for my stuff to arrive. So the first thing I wanted to fix was my engineering drafting table. The leg looks like this, but the screws are ripped out of it. So I booted up SOLIDWORKS and this is what I made. Next thing I did, I sent it to my 3D printer and waited for it to finish. I have 4 screws holding the bracket to the leg and the other 8 holes are for putting screws in to mount it to the table. With a bit of help from my dad, I got the table screwed in, and the reason I use 8 screws is because the top of the table is super heavy, so I want a lot of support. Now, building a rocket engine isn't the only thing I'll be doing. I'll also be studying this textbook and working through all the homework problems in it. But now let's talk about exactly what kind of rocket I'll be making.
So my plan isn't to launch a rocket, but I'm going to make the part that makes the supersonic hot gas come out the back and then pushes the rest of the rocket forward.
So this YouTube video is actually the inspiration for this whole project. So what you see here is a water bottle, compressed air, and propane all combining together under high pressure to create a rocket. Now you guys may have remembered last week when I talked about the Schlieren imaging. Well, this is what it looks like, and I have the mirror on the way. So shout out to this YouTuber for showing me that it's actually possible to do this in my garage.
This guy is the whole reason I quit my job, and I believe it's possible that I could do it too.
I ordered my own Schlieren imaging too, and it's set to come on July 18th.
So as of right now, the garage still isn't finished. My dad had to go on a trip to Toronto this weekend, but next weekend we'll grind the floor and get it nice and clean. Well, that's it for week 2. I appreciate all the likes that I got on the last video. I think I got almost 100 likes. Thank you so much for the support and all the comments that you guys put. It really means a lot to me. Wish me good luck on this journey and keep staying tuned for week 3.